In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a new project to Asana using Excel. If you've been managing your projects in Excel and you're ready to take advantage of Asana's robust project management features, then this guide is for you. Asana makes it easy to transition from one platform to another with just a few simple steps. Let's dive in and see how it's done. Start by navigating to Asana in your web browser. Once you're logged in, look towards the top left corner of the screen, where you'll see the Create button. Click on this button to begin the process of bringing your project into Asana. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option for Project. This is where you'll set the foundation for managing your tasks in a more visual and organized way than Excel might allow. Next, you'll select Import Project. This step allows Asana to understand that you'll be bringing in data from an external source, specifically Excel, and it's ready to help you make that transition smoothly. Go ahead and give your project a name. This name will help you identify it among your other projects and will be the first impression your team members have when they access the project. With your project named, move on to the next step, which is to click on Select File to import. This action opens up the opportunity to find and upload the Excel file you've been working with. For convenience, you have the option to simply drag and drop the Excel file into the designated upload field. This makes the process quick and hassle-free and ensures that Asana can seamlessly pull the data into your new workspace. Once you've done this, click Continue to move forward with the import process. Now, click the Create Project button. This final action brings your project to life within Asana. All of your tasks and data from the Excel sheet are now accessible and ready to be utilized with Asana's features. You'll notice immediately how your data appears structured and organized and is ready to be part of the enhanced project management environment that Asana offers. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a new project from Excel into Asana. It's all about making your work more efficient and collaborative, and now you can take full advantage of Asana's tools. Remember, with Asana, you can assign tasks, set deadlines, and keep everyone on the same page with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.